So for our pickup truck down payment activity, remember we had 2.5% compounded annually, monthly, daily, and continuously, and we wanted to compare all of those APYs. So let's take a look. It's the same interest rate, 4 different accounts, and we don't even need to remember how much the down payment was for the pickup truck, because remember, we're always going to use P equals 1 and T equals 1 for our formulas. Now, annually we're going to have the F equals P times the quantity 1 plus R over N raised to the NT power, and that's going to be the same formula for number 2 and number 3. And number 4, we're going to have to use the F equals P times E to the RT because it says continuously. So let's take a look at number 1 together. Annually, F equals P times 1 plus R over N raised to the NT power. So I will have F equals 1 for my P, 1 plus from the formula R, which is going to be 0.025. So I can take 2.5%, divide by 100, or just move my decimal 2 places to the left. So I have 1 plus 0.025 over N. N in this case, here is a 1. So I have 1 raised to the 1, and then my T is also a 1. So I have 1 plus 0.025 divided by 1, so it's just going to be 1.025 raised to the first, still 1.025, so F equals 1.025. Subtract off the 1, remember this formula down here, subtract off the 1 and multiply by 100. So I subtract off the 1 and multiply by 100, so I end up with 2.5%. And you might notice that when we have annually for our compounding, that our interest rate is the same rate as what we were advertised our APR to be. So 2.5%, 2.5%. It only happens if you have annually.